In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a batch payment to pay multiple customers in Xero 5 minutes. We're going to streamline your payables by paying several bills in one go right inside Xero. Start by opening Xero in your browser and head to the login page. Click login, then enter your email and password. If your account uses multi-factor authentication, complete that prompt as well. Click Login again to access your organization. If you manage more than one organization, make sure the correct one is selected on the dashboard before moving on. From the dashboard, look for Purchases and Open Bills. This is where you'll manage all your supplier bills. Switch to the Awaiting Payment view to see approved bills that are due or coming due. This list is your staging area for the batch. Select the checkboxes beside each bill you want to include in the batch. You can choose bills from different suppliers at the same time, and you can include full or partial payments depending on what needs to be settled today. Take a quick moment to scan due dates and amounts so you don't miss anything important. Once you've selected the bills, click Make Payment. When the options appear, choose Batch Payment. This groups your selections into a single payment run. Click Continue to move to the batch payment screen. Now set the payment date. This should reflect the day the funds will leave your bank. If your bank has cutoff times or you're scheduling in advance, choose a date that aligns with processing windows so your payments land on time. Next, select the bank account you'll pay from. Confirm it's the right currency and that there are sufficient funds to cover the total. On this page, review each line, supplier, amount, any references, and editable fields if you're part paying a bill. If you notice missing bank details for any contacts, update those in their contact records before proceeding to avoid failed payments. When everything looks correct, click Make Payments. Xero will create the payment entries against each bill in the batch. Depending on your setup, you may download a bank batch file to upload to your online banking or use your bank integration to complete the transfer. After the money leaves your account and the statement lines arrive, reconcile them to the batch so your accounts stay tidy and accurate. That's it. You've just created a batch payment in Xero, saving time and reducing manual errors. If you repeat this process weekly or on your regular pay run days, your cash flow and vendor relationships will thank you.